Yeah, charge of y'all niggas. Yeah. Witness the strength. Behold the only thing greater than yourself. Yeah. I slash your grill, don't start me. You be the only entertainer with less groupies than Biz Markie. I'm never dull, Chino the pretty thug style centerfold. I have every Latin in the country aiming at your skull. I'll aim it at the pole if he claiming he's selling the most dope. My jersey blocks is locked tighter than prisoners' whole soul. Your listeners will revolt at your CD and vinyl's the final result. Yeah, fuck drinking smoke till our vocals convive with the cold. They playing this in every club with party and bar you in. Give you more blood clots than two Jamaicans arguing. The sweat to your face, silver platinum chains is tarnishing. Women shaking their ovaries loose when we accomplishing. Wow.
We got better lyrics than you got.
What you got?
We got better bitches than you got.
What you got?
We roll with more killers than you got.
What you got, son?
We got better whips than you got.
What you got?
We got better cribs than you got.
What you got?
We got better bitches than you got.
What you got?
We roll with more killers than you got.
What you got?
We got better lyrics than you got.
What you got, yo?
Look what I got, you know? Look what I got, you got everything, man. Look what I got. Go ahead and kill me.
Yeah. What? Coming to kill me? I can't hear that. There is a stimulus I haven't been programmed to feel yet. Snatch you out of your roots like I'm from Philadelphia. What I do to push your hairline back, Rogaine won't help. I quest for the wealth like Stone Cold Austin, quest for the belt. I mention myself as a celestial stealth, an ascension from hell. In a nation I smile, cut myself down, murder your guest list. My style never a drag like they do black men in Texas. Next rapper to mention this, I'ma show him the real threat. Cause I'ma ride till my daughter's like, Daddy, are we there yet? Ain't no priest in the streets, only drugs perform miracles. See more keys than there are to hammers, repossess vehicles. Told you I was coming, you ain't believe I'm assuming. If we all superheroes, these bitch niggas must be Wonder Woman. Fist to fist, skin to skin, I make you fall flat. Brat little niggas that tat on my shoulder, cover they whole back. Can't hold back, spat on they whole rap, them at my coat shook. Shitting on MCs, wiping my ass on they notebook. Tired of bro crooks and videos, leave me stressed. I turn on channel 2 if I wanna CBS, bitch.
We got better lyrics than you got.
What you got?
We got better bitches than you got.
What you got?
We roll with more killers than you got.
What you got, love?
We got better whips than you got.
What you got?
We got better cribs than you got.
What you got?
We got better bitches than you got.
What you got,
We
baby?
roll with more killers than you got.
What you got?
We got better lyrics than you got.
Yo, peace but not last. I'll blast an informant and set his ass for cash to put him in torment. Now shine up the brass from his coffin. I'm last of the roarers who passion ain't dormant. I've mastered the forces. I rap to the chorus. My cast is enormous. I'm fast and I'm cautious. 20-inch arms stronger than forklifts. Smoke hash in front of reporters till I'm choking and nauseous. And smash through the glass of your Porsche. Show you how North is as hard as the forces. Lay you out dead in the grass in the forest. My craft is flawless. Have your flesh wrapped in a blackened sausage. Blood splashed across it for rhyming like a fag in the cordless. Murder all witnesses. Nosy standing on porches like torches. Superhuman Chino skin never scorches. Straight your family reunion and black funeral mourners. Have cast to sell your drugs for you, avoid usual corners. I never lost this mad lust to be rap colossus. Record company jerk me, I roll up strap inside of their office. TJ supporters and women making sex offers. A crib like a fortress, tuition for all my daughters. Rhymes high like saunas and thousands from Time Warners. Killers on every corner surrounded by Jewish lawyers.
We got better lyrics than you got.
What you got?
We got better bitches than